Hello students, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari. In today's video, we'll discuss a worksheet designed for SAFAL Science Exam 2025. This worksheet is specially prepared for class 9th student and completely based on class 8 syllabus. So if you want to perform your best in SAFAL exam, watch this video till end. So first question is from chapter Microorganism Friend and Foe. Question is, Anushka observed some green patches on an orange peel she has thrown into dustbin 3 days earlier. This green patch is mostly likely to be. So your options are a kind of bacteria, a kind of algae, a kind of fungus, and a kind of virus. Second question is again from that same chapter. Question is, animals are made up of many atoms. What happens to the atom after an animal died? Option A, atom stop moving. Option B, atom recycle back into the environment. Option C, atom split into simpler part and then combine to form another atom. Option D, atom no longer exists once the animal has decomposed. Next, third question is again from that same chapter. Anthrax is a type of fever caused by bacteria in all warm-blooded animals. From the list below, choose the animal that cannot be affected by anthrax. Options are cow, goat, polar bear, and crocodile. Next question. Osmanagar Lake near Hyderabad is a source of drinking water for city. If the water is tested for bacterial content and found to have elevated coli count, this might mean that the water is safe to drink, the food chain had been extended to microscopic level, sewage may be entering the water, and lastly, oxygen level is below normal. Next question. The figure below shows the concentration of oxygen, the number of bacteria and number of fish in a river over a distance of 30 km measured from point P. P is a point upstream from the source of pollution. At what place has the river got polluted? Correct option is option A, B, C and D. So you need to watch this graph and based on this graph you need to answer this question. Next, question 6. Which of the following disease is spread by contaminated food and contaminated water? So your options are common cold, chicken pox, rabies and typhoid. Next question. A carpenter cut his finger while using a slightly rusted chisel. Which injection should he take? Option A, anti-rabies. Option B, anti-tetanus. Option C, BCG. And last option, none of the above. Next question. Biological control is a term used to describe the use of living organisms such as predator, parasite and pathogen to control pest, insects, weed or disease. Which among of the following is an example of biological control? Option A cat to kill mouse at home, pesticide to kill insect, medicine to poison food of the pest, and scarecrow to scare away birds. Next question. Which of this precaution is not relevant to prevent malaria? Your options are pouring a layer of oil on water puddle, keeping all water container covered, covering ourselves properly while sleeping, washing vegetable before cooking them. Next question is, which of this is made up of with the help of bacteria? Option A, curd. Option B, cream. Option C, soap. And last option, cooking oil. Next question. Do animals suffer from disease like malaria and typhoid? Your option is yes, exactly like human being. Option B, yes, but disease are different. Option C, domestic animal do not, wild animal. Option D, no, animal do not suffer from disease. Next question. Polio is caused by. Your options are virus, fungi, bacteria, protozoa. Next question is from metal and non-metal. In the given table below is composition of few alloy. Which of this metal alloy does not contain copper? So your options are brass, bronze, pewter and steel. So you need to watch this table and based on that you need to answer. Next, question number 14. Listed here is the reactivity of certain metal. Which of the above metal are likely to be obtained in their pure state from the earth crust? So your options are gold only, sodium only, gold and platinum, and last option zinc and sodium. So to answer this question you need to watch this table and based on this table you need to answer. Next question. Given here is a table that shows the hardness of certain object. When two objects are rubbed against each other, the one with higher hardness value usually make a mark or scratch on one with lower hardness value. On which of this can a blade produce a scratch? So your options are diamond, quartz, diamond, option C, all objects other than diamond, and lastly fingernail and talc. So students, if you found this worksheet helpful, don't forget to like, hype, share and subscribe to MJ Manjari for more exam update, practice material and learning tips. Best of luck for your SAFAL Science Exam 2025. Stay confident and keep practicing. See you in next video. Thank you.